Hi, welcome back. I am mixing up some resin to add into a bunch of various cactus and succulent molds that I have collected over the years. I would like to use these cacti in a small upcoming project, and I thought you would like to see how I colored them and made them. I will list all items I am using in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions along the way by leaving me a message in the message box below. I am using my Pixis resin mixer to help mix the resin according to the instructions on the bottles. Once mixed, I will add some green cactus mica powder into the resin and fill 2 molds. After I mix up more resin, I will let it rest while I brush on some mica powder directly onto the next mold. I am using Silk White from the Hippie Crafter. I am not trying to be neat when I do this, I just want to get the color into a couple areas of the mold. I will now add light yellow mica powder from the Hippie Crafter. Stir and fill the mold. For this next mold, I will brush on some orange-red mica powder from the Hippie Crafter into the very bottom of this mold, and then I will add light yellow resin. I will keep adding the resin to the various molds, dusting on mica powder into the molds as I go. This is super fun, and I can't wait to see how they will cure. Once I have used all of my resin, I will let them sit for at least 24 hours before demolding them. But before I cover them, I am going to clean my silicone tools by wiping them with paper towels to get the resin out. By doing this now, I am ensuring my tools will be clean for my next project. Okay, now it's time to demold my cacti. Look how awesome these are. I love adding a little bit of mica powder into the mold with the colored resin. It helps give these pieces a little bit more dimension and personality. project with me. Please let me know what you think in the comment box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!